Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. Let me ask you a question. Can you make a guess about a day which is more important and the very blessed day for us? It is the master of days in the sight of Allah. On this day, Adam alayhis salam was created and made to enter the garden, and it is a prayer that took its name. Can you guess which day it is? Okay, let me give you three options. Is it Eid al-Fitr? Is it Eid al-Adha, or is it Friday? Yes, it is Friday. Okay, I hope all of you have given the correct answer. So let's know more about it. Friday. Let's learn the importance of Friday from the hadith of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The best day on which the sun has risen is Friday. On it Adam alayhis salam was created. On it he was made to enter paradise. On it he was expelled from it." Okay, on this day every week Muslims perform Friday prayer together, and Allah distinguished this day by an hour during which Allah answers the supplications of any Muslim who asks him something. Allah has kept 1 hour hidden during Friday, and in this time if you will make a lot of dua and if you will get that time by luck, that time is a secret, but if you will find that time and you have made the dua also, your dua will be accepted and Allah will give you whatever you want. How to perform Friday prayer? Alhamdulillah, we all are Muslim and we all know how to perform the Friday prayer. Let's recall the steps. Friday prayer must be performed in congregation in the mosque. It is only consists of 2 rakats in which Imam recited loudly. Okay, it is preceded by 2 sermons during which you must listen and be aware of speaking lest you lose your reward. If you will speak during the khutba, you will lose all your rewards. When you enter the mosque, you should be careful and not to cross over the necks of worshippers or hurt them. There are some ethics which we have to follow before and during the Friday prayer. The sale is forbidden during the Friday prayer. If you are busy with any business or anything at the time of Friday, you should leave all the sales and buying during that time. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, "O you who believe, when the call is heard from the prayer of the day of congregation, haste unto remembrance of Allah and leave your trading. That is better for you if you did, but no." So we should remember that this is the order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that we should not keep ourselves engaged in trading at the time of Friday prayers. And when we are going for the Friday prayer, we should wash our body, should take ghusl, perfume yourself, cut your nails if it is required to be cut, keep them nice and trim, and wear your best clothes, or the new one or the clean one. And you should remember, when you enter the mosque, you should be careful and not to cross over the necks of worshippers or hurt them. If you will take care of all these things, definitely you will make your day good and Allah will be happy from you. Now let's know who should perform the Friday prayers. Friday is compulsory on everyone, especially the sane, the grown-up, the resident, means who are staying in one place, who have home, and the male Muslims. Okay, for a female Muslim it is not compulsory. It's up to them if they want to pray, or if they cannot join the mosque prayers, it's okay, they can pray Zuhr prayer at home. And the person must be sane. If a sick or traveling, then it's not compulsory on them. There are some Sunnah acts if we follow on Friday, It will make our day more worthwhile, and we can receive more blessings because we are following the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should have a bath in Sunnah way, cut nails, wear clean clothes, use siwak to clean your teeth, put on perfume, walk to the mosque if it is nearby. So it's better, it is recommended to walk to the mosque to earn more rewards. Try to get earlier, do not delay. Sit as close to the Imam as he delivers khutbah. Refrain from any worldly talk with anyone. Listen to the khutbah carefully. And after Friday prayer or before, recite plenty of Durood Sharif. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad. And recite Suratul Kahf. There are a lot of benefits of offering Friday prayers. The main is it unite the Muslim Ummah. It builds mutual harmony among Muslims, and it helps us to attain great rewards from Allah. By listening to the khutbah, we acquire knowledge because in every khutbah, the Imam talks about some important issue. It can be the current issue, it can be according to the current month, it can be according to the current problem. Like for example, in Ramadan, they talk about Ramadan and the blessings of fasting, and in the time of calamity they talk about calamity and how to deal with it. So these are very important moments. We have to listen to it carefully. Muslims get to know each other, they love each other, and learn about the condition of other Muslims. When we meet the other Muslims, we come to know that how are the Muslims living, how are their conditions. If they need help, then Muslims are there, other Muslims are there to help each other. That's it. Now question answer time. You have to write about the virtues of Friday, why it is considered as the most important blessed day for Muslims, what are the ethics we should follow on Friday, and who are the people who should perform the Friday prayer. Mention any 6 Sunnah acts we should take care of on Friday. What are the benefits of performing Friday prayer? That's it. You will complete this task and share it with me, and I hope you have learned something new today. Thank you very much for being with me. Take very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.